Everyone, I'm Victoria and I'm an English teacher here at MyEnglishTeacher.eu. I've been teaching for 13 years now, both face-to-face and online, teaching children and adults from all around the world. I'm a fully qualified TEFL teacher, a young learners teacher, and I have my business English teaching too. I am a passionate and dedicated teacher. I believe I have a good ability to create a good rapport with my students. And the approach I follow in the classroom is the communicative approach. I really want to help you guys to build your skills, your communication skills. Of course, we also focus a little bit on grammar, vocabulary, reading, writing, and all the skills that you need to help you progress with your English. Most importantly, the lessons are fun, they're interesting. I try to pick topics that are going to keep you motivated, and me too, and to keep us both learning together. I do attend a lot of workshops and online seminars. I'm always trying to improve myself so that I'm in a better position to help you guys improve. So I hope you'll choose me to be your English teacher, and I'll look forward to seeing you in my lesson soon. Bye for now.